JLG Industries presents Operation Safety for the JLG 10 MSP. You will now learn how to properly operate your machine while avoiding potential hazards. You are responsible for the safe and proper operation of your machine and for complying with all applicable laws and regulations covering its proper use. You must not operate any machine until you have read and understood the Operation and Safety Manual and completed training under an experienced and qualified operator. This video is intended to serve as a supplement to your Operation and Safety Manual, AAM Safety Manual, and ANSI Manual responsibilities. These manuals are located in the manual storage holder in the platform. These documents must be kept on the machine and, if not available, must be obtained by contacting your JLG distributor or by going online at www.jlg.com. If you require further clarification on the safe operation of your machine, contact JLG Product Safety and Reliability at 1-877-JLG-SAFE. Before using each day or when changing operators, you must conduct a pre-start inspection of your machine. Always refer to your Operation and Safety Manual for this complete inspection procedure. This video focuses on proper operation only. The machine shown in this video is the JLG 10 MSP. It is an electric-powered, self-propelled machine with an aerial work platform and attached adjustable material handling tray, mounted to an elevating mast mechanism. This may not be representative of your JLG lift. Your lift may be a different model, have a different power source, or have a different mast configuration, but the pre-start inspection will be similar. Always follow the daily inspection procedure in your model's Operation and Safety Manual. If at any time you discover any damage or discrepancy, remove the machine from service and report the problem to the proper personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. Once you have arrived at the work site, it is very critical to clear the area of hazards before operating. Always walk around your work site and check the pathway prior to driving in that area. Check for holes, bumps, drop-offs, obstructions, debris, and other potential ground hazards. Ensure all hazards are physically identified with paint, cones, signs, and other items that will stand out. Ensure the machine is at least 2 feet or 0.6 meters away from these hazards. Check for overhead wires and their height compared to the machine's lift height. Your machine is not insulated and does not provide protection from contact or proximity to electrical current. Assume all electrical parts and wiring are energized unless known otherwise. Follow the minimum approach distances as outlined in the Operation and Safety Manual. Once you have checked the work site area and identified any potential hazards, you can now operate your machine. JLG Industries recommends that the operator utilize a fall travel restraint system and the platform with a lanyard attached to an authorized lanyard anchorage point. Use extreme caution when entering and exiting the platform. Always face the machine and maintain 3 points of contact. This means that 1 hand and 2 feet, or 2 hands and 1 foot are in contact with the machine or ground at all times. Keep both feet firmly positioned on the platform floor at all times. Never use ladders, boxes, steps, planks, or similar items on the platform to provide additional reach. To perform any function in the platform, all 3 enable switches must be activated simultaneously. The right hand enable, left hand enable, and the foot switch can be activated in any order. The right-hand joystick controls the driving functions of the machine as well as the speed with the toggle switch on top. The switch lever on the back of the joystick is an enable switch the operator must engage to operate the machine. The toggle switch on the end of the left-hand joystick controls the lifting functions of the machine. The switch lever on the back of the joystick is an enable switch the operator must engage to operate the machine. The foot switch is an enable switch the operator must engage to operate the machine. The platform control box allows the operator to function the horn and emergency stop. Scan the travel path while driving to ensure no personnel or hazards are blocking the path. Use spotters as necessary. Keep non-operating personnel at least 6 feet or 1.8 meters away from the machine during operation. Position barricades as necessary. Be aware of factors that may affect the machine's stability, such as surface conditions, inclines, and tire wear. Never slam a control switch or lever through neutral to the opposite position. Always return switch to neutral and stop before moving the switch to the next function. Operate controls with slow and even pressure. Do not use the machine for any purpose other than positioning personnel, their tools and equipment, or for hand stock picking or placing. If performing welding operations, precautions must be taken to protect all machine components from contact with weld splatter or molten metal. Do not allow personnel to tamper with or operate the machine from the ground controls with personnel on the platform, except in the case of an emergency. Always ensure that power tools are properly stowed and never left hanging by their cord from the platform work area. Do not allow riders on the machine. Only the operator is allowed in or on the machine during operation. When you have finished operating, park the machine in a well-protected and ventilated area. Fully lower the mast assembly. Press the emergency stop and turn the key to the off position. Remove the key to prevent unauthorized users from operating the machine. While facing the machine, maintain 3 points of contact when exiting the platform. Press the emergency stop at the ground control and place the switch in the center position. Properly operating your machine helps you complete your work in a safe manner. Safe operation is critical to avoid potential hazards. Beginning operators should practice these safe procedures before operating on actual work sites with an experienced and qualified operator. If you require further clarification on properly operating your machine, contact Product Safety and Reliability at 1-877-JLG-SAFE, or if outside the United States, 1-717-485-6591, or by email at productsafety@jlg.com. JLG Ground Support, reaching out to help you reach your potential.